Come in broad. 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 You are so sexy. You are cute. You are looking beautiful. You are looking beautiful. No, you are very beautiful. Your dress design. I like your dress design. Yes, I like. Thank you. Same to you. And money more update. Your hairstyle. Awesome. Come in broad. Look. What is this? Yeah, what is this? No. What is this? Chain. I saw your baby. Show me your baby.
کو جادی فیي
What? Hi. Sit. Sit and talk with me. Good, good, good. What is your time? What is your time? What is your time? What is your time? What is your time in your watch? What is time in your watch? Good, good, Bob. Good. Nice, nice, nice. Good. What is time? What is time in your watch? Watch time.
वाच
Time,
नहीं है,
time.
उस ब्रेसलेट पाया हुआ है।
Oh, no, no watch. This is just bracelet. Oh, time, time, time. Oh, time. Oh, good. Cute.
चुम्मी दे बस चुम्मी।
Give me one kiss.
दे बस ना कहाँ ओके।
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Very good girl. Very good. Awesome. Wow, wow. Oof. Oh, I like your design. I like your shirt design. Yeah. Very good design. Your age? Your age? What is your age? Age 15 year? You are 5 year? 5 year is your baby. Show me your baby. ਇਹ ਕਦੀ WhatsApp ਤੇ ਆਵੇ ਨਾ ਬਾਬਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਬੁਨੈਣ ਹੀ ਲਹਾ ਛੱਡਾਂ।
आँखें ना शर्ट ला।
Good. You like me? You like me? Oh, thank you. I like you. Thank you. Your this place is very cute. Thank you. Oh baby, nice.
उस दिल बनाया तो है गोल मोरी बना।
nice. Oh, for me. This is for me. Thank you. I like you. You are cute girl. You want to sleep?
ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੌਣਾ ਚਾਹਨੀ ਆ
Come with me and sleep.
ਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਰਟ ਤਾਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੱਪ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਰਟ
Show me something. Show me.
ਆਪਣੀ ਚਾਹ ਕੇ ਵਿਖਾ
Show me.
ਨਾ ਹੋਣ ਚਾਸੀ
Oh baby.
ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਰੀ ਚਾਹ ਕੇ ਵਿਖਾ
I like your hairstyle. Very cute, baby. Your lips, all the time I like you. This you don't like? This I increase shape. Oh, okay. Next day I am clean this hair and same to you, same condition. Okay? No problem. This is your order. This is your order is done. Okay? Speak in something, talk about something. What is your mouth? What is your problem in your mouth? Talk about something. Yeah, talk with me. Hello, hi, how are you? Talk. Yeah. Thank you. Talk. Hello, say hello. Hi, how are you? You are fine, you are not fine. Something you talk about. Okay? What is your mouth? And close your mouth. Say something, please. What now? I like you. I am really love you.
ਆਦੀ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰ ਸਿਰ ਖਾ ਗਿਆ ਮੇਰਾ
What is this? This. Shake a hand. Take a hand. No. This. Open this. No. This. This side. No. And this side. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. No. This. Yeah. You are my friend. No, you are my friend.